Hello, and this week on the Softonic Roundup, we talk about the recent controversy surrounding Spotify, a new service from Google Maps, and great news for iOS and Android users. Google Maps is testing a new service for all of you food lovers. The new feature allows you to take a photograph of a meal, and then Google's algorithms will detect if it's edible or not, and then give you the option to upload it. It then allows you to write a review to enrich the image with metadata. This will allow other users to see the photo when they visit the area you took it, along with your review, slowly creating a comprehensive restaurant guide of the area. The more you contribute, the more your rank will increase on the service, making us ask the question, can Google Maps topple Foursquare? First, iOS users can now use WhatsApp's web client, meaning that you can now send messages with all the convenience of a keyboard. True, Android users have had the option for a while, but better late than never. And now the good news for you Android users. Google has decided to put less pre-installed apps on their phones. This means you'll have less functions tucked away in the terminal, such as Books, Newsstand and Google+, allowing you to pick which apps you want to install. Unfortunately, phone manufacturers can still install whatever they like. In more Google news, the company's plans to release a budget phone in Africa continue. The program to distribute cheap Android phones in the region took a huge step forward with the launch of Infinix's Hot 2, a mobile phone that will be sold in 6 different African countries for less than $90. The phones come with Android One pre-installed, an OS specifically designed for these inexpensive devices. Finally, controversial news from Spotify last week. Last Thursday, when we were winding down for the weekend, the company released its latest terms and conditions. That's the pages and pages of stuff that you normally just click through without thinking. But somebody did read and think about them, and then posted their thoughts to social media. And the response was not good. By agreeing to the new terms, which you must if you want to continue using the service, Spotify will be able to access your photographs, videos, contacts, location and even voice commands. The reaction across social networks was immediate and very negative, with many users dropping from the service. This prompted an official response from Spotify. In an article on its official blog entitled "Sorry," Daniel Ek, CEO of the company, apologised for what he considered a bad job in communication. He assured users that information would only be gathered after the app requested it explicitly, and that it would only be used to improve the user experience. Of course, big data is a huge advantage for companies, and this could be the first small step by Spotify on gathering better information on its users. That's it for this week. I'll be back with more tech news next Monday, but this Thursday we'll also have a new gaming show, and on Friday we'll have 5 apps. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of them, and I'll see you next time.